Welcome to Kanye's ERP. In order to create a serial number for a machine or an equipment for which maintenance will be performed, access MNTT05 Machines and Equipments transaction. In this transaction, click New button. On the Creating New Machine Serial Number record screen, enter company, machine or equipment number and the serial number that will be assigned to that machine or equipment. Then click Confirm button. On the sniff screen, after entering the relevant information for the machine or equipment, click Save button. And the record will be saved.